Oh, we want you on camera. We're at the beach today. We're making our way out there, as usual.
Look, a shortcut.
Well, I don't think that's a shortcut. Did you make it through?
Yeah. Where's he at?
I think he's at the water probably by now. I think you're actually creating a path. We've done this take like 10 times because I'm like, it's not good enough, Cole, do it again. You want me to help you find it? You want me to help you find it? No, you're good, Ross, but thanks for asking. Oh, okay, all right. Dude, it's a camo hat. It's not that surprising that you lost it here. He's like, how could I possibly lose it here?
You can't win a race because all races are equal.
Yeah.
Think about it.
I don't believe in winning races because all races are equal. 2019, Ross for president. Cole for president, 2019.
Any sauce?
No, thanks.
Have a good day.
Hello? Yeah, I'll be right there. Yo, sorry, I got a meeting. I don't have time.
You already bought it.
What are you reading, sir?
Oh, good. Johnson, the golden fruit.
How to get women.
Eh?
How to get women even though I have a wife.
How to get rid of women.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's Victoria's Egret. We're gonna put like lingerie on it, go catch it, put panties on it and a bra, take pictures of it, and then replace the signs at Victoria's Secret with Victoria's Egret.
Put like pantyhose on its like legs.
On its little skinny legs.
It's like
like they're loose and falling off.
That's one of those ones with like the curved beaks that eats ants.
That's a chicken. Barking from point A to point B in the quickest manner possible. That funny. Like caveman.
That funny.
That funny. And there shouldn't be a laugh. Oh, that funny. I don't have my makeup on.
It's okay, me neither. You guys are good.
What do you mean? Come on, please take it. You. Take my card.
Not gonna
It
fit.
just spills it. This is fine. I'll be able to drink it from here, I think.
It's like a water bottle in a hamster cage.
Yeah, I'll just poke a hole in the bottom with the straw. I'm your little hamster.
That's gonna make such a mess.
I won't spill it. This one should fit. Alright, thank you. Wait, now how am I gonna put this down and actually bring them in?
You're gonna have to have me roll the window down. You want me to roll the window up?
You roll the window up.
Dude, I'm like legit stuck right now. Don't move. A muscle.
Red mic.
Alright, we're about to just freaking spray every plate window up.
He threw water back at him.
Oh, yeah. He keep turns it off. Oh no, I can't use that. We just cut out a funny joke that I said, but it was kind of inappropriate. Nucci always cuts Chris's hair, the racist cameraman, and it always looks really good. He's like, all right, enough of that, dude.
Hello.
Hey, Andrew.
What's up? You busy?
Yeah, sorry, I'm busy right now.
I'm in the middle of class. What are you doing?
Are you seriously?
I mean, I walked out.
You walked out of class to answer my call, and then I just told you I was busy.
You're not busy at all, and I'm the one who's actually busy. You're busy.
But you went out of your way to answer my call, even though I'm not busy at all, and you are.
Yeah, because you called me twice to tell me you're busy.
I called you twice.
I'm busy.
Dear science, please bless this food to our bodies. Oh, atheists before they eat. Dear nothing, please bless this food to my body.
And then agnostic is like dear something.
Dear, I'm not sure. Agnostic. Oh, Billy is an ambulance driver.
Billy's an ambulance.
Now Billy's an ambulance.
Billy's a fire truck.
Billy's been going to school and he's finally a fire truck. Billy's an EMT right now. She didn't want to be on camera, so we got to blur her face out. We're recording you. We're recording right now, but don't worry, we blurred your face out.
Okay.
I think that'll probably be easier than blurring people in post. I'll start doing that. Like, oh, she didn't want to be on it, Chris. Call her, blur her face out, Chris.
I blur it on like my side.
Chris colors his viewfinder. He's like, oh, okay, I can't see her. He takes a marker and like colors his eye. Whenever Cole like comes in looking rough or something, I just blur your face the whole vlog.
Yeah, Cole didn't feel good that day.
Sir Cole, reporting for doobies. Like that's like old people trying to be cool. Shopping today. Any of these look good?
I want everybody, don't forget about Mother's Day. Mother's Day, you know, this is your grandmother's fingers, right?
Propose to your girlfriend like this with it.
This is my grandmother's. This
is my
goes back 3
grandmother's.
generations.
My great-great-grandmother's.
This is my great-great-grandmother's, and it's been buried in a secret place.
Her freaking finger's still in it. This is my great-grandmother's.
About it. Be better. Yeah. Yes, you can. No, yeah.
God, this is how I feel with these M&Ms right now. What are you doing?
Because you're...
Dick, what are you doing for eating all the freaking chocolates? So it takes like 20 of them to equal one big piece of chocolate. These are almost gone, thank goodness. I was getting worried.
Thank goodness. You're the one making them go.
No, you understand, I won't have this temptation looming over my head.
Just hurry up and do it, then I won't be tempted anymore.
Tell you what, I'm going to get rid of these daggone things. I had to do it. I would have eaten them all if I didn't.
No, Tom would have eaten them all if I didn't take care of them.
Yeah. Next time you do that thing,
right
give it a line. I had to do it. I would have eaten them all.
You can put your drink here if you want.
I'm good right now. Thanks, man.
Why don't you put your drink there?
I mean, again, I don't want to step on any toes. And if you're cool with the drink being there, I'm all right. But don't be nice and knowing that you don't want it there. That's not fair to me or you.
They can make a big scene about. I'm just saying, you can put your drink there if you want.
I mean, you said, and then when I do it, then you get upset.
I'm not gonna be mad.
Like a married couple.
Are you going over everything? Oh, okay. You can just put it there. That's fine.
Oh, really? You're gonna put it right there?
You're just gonna put it there?
You said I could.
It should be obvious that I didn't mean it.